Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the noun phrase and prepositional phrase. In our last class, we talked about the phrase and the clause. I introduced you with the phrase and with the clause. Again, I repeat, a phrase is a piece of information in a sentence made of more than one word. If there are two or more words coming in a sentence in a group, they are called phrase. The phrase has no subject and verb of its own and conveys a partial meaning. In the sentence, I met a boy in the garden. There are several words and they are making a sentence. Still, in this sentence, there are some words which form groups. There is one group, a boy, and the another group is in the garden. If we analyze in the garden phrase again, in the garden is made of a preposition and a phrase, that is the garden. So let us analyze about the phrases, its kinds. First of all, I will tell you about the noun phrase. The noun phrase contains a noun and other associated words. In it, there are nouns and other modifiers. And the resultant phrase works as a noun. A noun works as a noun, and the noun phrase also works as a noun. In the noun phrase, there will be a noun as a head word, and all other words will be associated, they will be modifiers of that noun. There can be more than one noun phrase in a sentence, and all noun phrase act as a noun phrase. Act as a noun. So, what does a noun work in a sentence? I will tell you about this in detail when I will tell you about the parts of speech. A noun works in a sentence as a subject. It works as an object. It works as an object of a preposition. It can work as a modifier. It can come in apposition. So there are several works which a noun and noun phrase performs. The noun phrase, I repeat, is a group of words which contains at least one noun as a head word and other associated words which act as modifiers. There can be more than one noun phrase in a sentence. You can see in the first sentence, I met a boy in the garden. The subject word I is a pronoun. A boy is a noun phrase which consists the determiner a and noun boy. Again, in the prepositional phrase the garden, in the garden, the garden becomes object of the preposition in, and the garden is a noun phrase made of the and garden. The first noun phrase works as an object of the verb meet. The second noun phrase the garden works as an object of preposition in. Likewise, in the sentence second, a stone was thrown into the river. The first noun phrase in the sentence is a stone. A stone is a noun phrase, and here it performs as subject of the verb throw. In the same sentence, there is another noun phrase the river. The river is the noun phrase which is an object of the preposition into. Move to the third sentence. She is cooking food in the kitchen. In the sentence, food is a noun. It's not a phrase. It is itself a noun and works as a noun. It works as an object of the verb cook. In the same sentence, the kitchen again is a noun phrase and works as an object of the preposition in. The same happens with noun phrase in the sentence number 4 and 5th. Now let's move to the preposition phrase. Prepositional phrase contains a preposition and object of its own. As an object, preposition takes noun or pronoun as its object. The prepositional phrase becomes prepositional phrase when it contains a preposition and its object. The sentence, look at the sentence. He is sleeping on the carpet. On the carpet is a phrase. On the carpet is a phrase which is prepositional phrase. It is made of on preposition, and essentially it takes an object, the carpet. The carpet is a noun phrase which is object of the preposition on. Now, as I told you, noun phrase works as a noun. Prepositional phrase doesn't work as a preposition. Prepositional phrase is called a prepositional phrase according to the structure of its own. It doesn't function as a preposition. Its function is to become adverbial. So what kind of adverbial it can become? All the prepositions come in certain relation to express certain relation of a noun with other nouns. So what can those meanings or expressions or relations can be? They can be either time, they can be place, they can be manner, they can be reason, purpose, goal, agency. So all the prepositional phrase become adverbial and they are called The adverbials of time or place, manner, reason, purpose, goal, agency, etc. Noun phrase works as a noun, but prepositional phrase doesn't work as as a preposition, as its name suggests, but it becomes adverbial. The further details about the prepositional phrase becoming an adverbial, what does a preposition expresses, I will tell you when I will teach you about the prepositions and the sentence pattern. So for timing, now I repeat what I have told you. I have told you about the noun phrase and the preposition phrase. Thank you for now.